Like many of you out there, I love fish, but I don't like the bones. So Declan is here to show us a wonderful technique. We're going to be butterflying a whole fish. So you can learn this at home, and I am so intrigued because I've actually never done this from scratch.
Oh, I'm excited to show you. I'm excited to show you guys. I think, you know, there's a lot of fear-mongering around butterflying a whole fish or eating fish in general. So today we've got this beautiful flathead here.
Oh, stunning.
Where'd we get this one from?
Is from Manny from Planet Seafood. He just gets the freshest fish, and you can see how fresh this is. He picked it up from the market this morning. Nice clear eyes. What else are we looking for?
Nice clear eyes, and you certainly don't want the fish joint to smell fishy.
Yeah, or chlorine. Those two, no, it should smell like the ocean.
Smell like roses. No.
Exactly.
Let's crack on. We've got this beautiful flathead here. Flathead come in about 3 or 4 species here in Australia.
Right.
And they're in all your estuaries. So this is a fish that I've grown up catching my whole life. And we're just going to start by taking off all the fins.
Okay.
These are the ones that spike you, and you just want to get rid of them.
They are so much fun to catch, though. I remember going under the bridges, and that's where they were, because they're sort of bottom dwellers.
Where were you catching these growing up?
There was a bridge called Tom Ugly's Bridge.
Yeah.
In Sydney.
Yeah.
And that's where they were. Maybe I've given away a secret.
No, Justine's little secret fishing hole.
Fishing hole.
Just roll it over, take off all the fins.
Yeah. Scissors are the best for this. It
They
just
are.
makes it so easy.
And I feel like, you know, sharp scissors, a sharp knife, and then we've got a perfect vessel to be working with here.
Where did you learn how to butterfly fish and debone fish like this?
I think just growing up, fishing my whole life,
Yes.
filleting came second nature to me, but it wasn't since I went on MasterChef back in 2022 and I really deep dived into my fish skills that, you know, I wanted to practice presentation and plating up food beautifully, and that's what I'm going to be showing you guys here today.
Right.
So now we've taken off all those fins.
Yes.
You just want to flip it on its backside here. And you can ask your fishmonger to clean scale your fish and gut it, as Marnie's done here. So you can see the backbone down the middle of the fish here.
Yep.
And we essentially just want to follow that either side. So we're opening it up here and follow down there. And you can see that beautiful flesh there. And we're going to follow down this side here.
Is it the same concept for other species of fish?
Yeah, I'd say the flatty's almost easier in a way because it's got that flat section you can sit it on.
Yeah.
So if you're a first-time butterflyer, definitely get your hands on a flatty. And then we just want to follow that backbone straight through up to the head. So you can feel there.
So you're not cutting all the way through?
Not cutting all the way through, and you can hear the crunch. So you've got your rib cage here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 or 7 rib bones there that we just want to break through, just like so. Not going all the way through, but you just let the knife do the work. I think if you're having to force it, you're doing something wrong.
You're on the wrong spot.
Yeah, exactly. So we can open this up.
Okay.
I'm just going to just separate this here. So it opens up nicely. And there you have the anatomy of a flathead.
Beautiful.
And, you know, as home cooks wanting to spice things up, if you're a professional chef in a kitchen, it's a beautiful way to serve a fish is butterflying. Now we just want our scissors and we want to start up here near the neck bone.
Yep.
And you just want to cut that there, lift that up and work your way along.
Yeah.
That backbone. You want to take that out, and there's our beautiful butterflied flathead. Now, going the extra mile, I'm just going to work my way along and pin bone these. So, let's take these out one by one.
Great.
Perfect. So I just got that last bone out, and you just want to run your fingers over and make sure there's no more.
It's the best way to tell, right? Just
That's
with your
it.
fingers.
So we are laughing there. So we can flip that over.
Yep.
We're going to open that up.
Really quite easy to do. Now that you've done it.
We're just going to put on a little bit of oil.
Yes.
And I like keeping it simple.
Yeah.
So we're just going to go quite heavy on the salt because I like a crust, you know, like on a good steak.
I mean, the skin itself is so delicious.
Nice
right?
and crispy. Flatheads are sweet, delicate flesh, so you want to take a lot of care with it, but it's always a crowd pleaser.
Sure is.
And then we've just got some paprika here, a bit of sweet and a bit of smoked. So just there, colour, flavour, and of course a little bit of white pepper.
And I like how you haven't oiled the grill because we've already oiled the skin, so you don't need to add any more.
That's it. See, the wings are popping up here.
Right.
So if we just put a weight on it
Yep.
and keep that pressed down, we want maybe a total of 6 minutes in cooking time. So we'll give it a check after about 4 to 5 minutes, and then if we need to flip it and give that other side a kiss on the grill, we can. All right, beautiful. This skin on top is crispy. It's cooked. It's been about 6 minutes. We flipped it over just to give it a kiss on that other side. Now's the tricky part, getting it from the grill onto the plate.
know.
But double spatula.
Yep.
Come under, one movement. Teamwork makes the dream work. Look at that.
Did it.
Beautiful. We've got some fresh parsley and dill, good squeeze of lemon juice. I feel like lemon should be on everything, but especially with seafood. The acidity cuts through. Some nice battens of chives. Beautiful. And chuck that in.
I like how you haven't overworked it with lots of different sauces, just pure freshness here.
Keeping it
Salt.
simple, bit of extra salt, plonking that on top, building some height on top of our beautiful flathead. That looks great. It's like a little hat.
I am so impressed with this. It looks so good. What I'm most impressed about is that skin has become so crispy. It's like fish crackling. And the best thing about this is there's no bones.
No, that's it. So let's finish it off with a big squeeze of lemon
Yes.
and tuck into it.
Absolutely.
Beautiful. I can't wait to tuck into this.
Me too. I'm
Ladies first.
That right
And
down there. Look at that flesh.
nice and opaque. Flathead, you know, it's sweet, it's delicious. And not overdoing it. A bit of salt and a bit of paprika. And then all these fresh herbs that, you know, are just going to carry the lightness, the sweetness of the flathead.
You would pay a lot of money for this in a restaurant because there is so much technique behind it. But now you know how to do it at home, thanks to Declan. Next flathead I'm going to buy, or catch for that matter,
Yeah.
I'm going to butterfly it myself.
Thanks, Juzzy.
Cheers.
You're a legend.